Unraveling the Meaning of Check-in, a Comprehensive Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss that is widely used in everyday English. The phrase, check-in. We'll be delving into its meanings, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. Check-in is a versatile phrase that can be used as a noun or a verb, and its meaning changes depending on the context. As a noun, check-in refers to the process of registering or signing in at a hotel, airport, or event. For example, the hotel check-in is at 3 p.m. As a verb, it refers to the action of reporting or confirming one's presence. For example, please check in at the front desk when you arrive. Now, let's explore how check-in can be used in different scenarios. 2.1 At the airport. Noun, the check-in counter closes an hour before the flight. Verb, you need to check in online 24 hours before the flight. 2.2 At a hotel. Noun, the check-in process was quick and seamless. Verb, we will check in at the hotel and then go sightseeing. 2.3 At an event or meeting. Noun, please proceed to the check-in table to get your badge. Verb, make sure to check in as soon as you arrive to avoid the queue. Sometimes, learners might get confused and misuse check-in. Here are a couple of things to be mindful of. Do not confuse check-in with check-out. They have opposite meanings. Pay attention to the context to decide whether to use it as a noun or a verb. To master the use of check-in, try creating sentences using this phrase in different contexts. You can also listen to native speakers and pay attention to how they use check-in in conversations. And that's a wrap on our journey through the meanings and uses of check-in. We hope this video has clarified any doubts you had and that you now feel more confident using this phrase in your daily interactions. Remember, practice is key, and don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Until next time, happy learning!